started my UGC journey sometime in 2024, and at the time, a lot of people told me UGC was dead. But guess what? It's not. 2 weeks after starting out my journey, I got over 5 positive responses from brands that wanted me to create content for them, and I'm talking paid content. So let's rewind a little. When I first heard about UGC, I thought to myself, isn't this space saturated already? And to make things worse, there were so many conversations online about how UGC wasn't profitable anymore, or how brands weren't hiring UGC creators like before. But I wanted to try it out for myself. I knew brands will always need authentic content, and that's something I could offer. And of course, I already loved creating content, so it only made sense to turn that passion into profit. Honestly, if you're holding back because people say something is over, don't. There's always room for you. You just have to keep showing up. So here's my exact step-by-step process on how I landed my first client as a UGC creator. Step 1, research. The first thing I had to do was research. I consumed a lot of UGC related content on all platforms. I needed to understand what brands were looking for, not just aesthetic videos, but videos that convert, like testimonials, product demos, unboxing, and more. Step 2, create a portfolio. Now this was a big one. I knew I needed a portfolio, but I didn't have any brand deals yet. So what did I do? I created mock content. I picked up products I already had at home and I created UGC style videos for them. The goal was to show brands that I could create relatable and engaging content. But here's the thing, I knew my portfolio had to stand out. I made sure it wasn't just a bunch of random videos thrown together. I was really intentional about it because this is what the brand sees and would want to work with you. So it had to be catchy and professional, and that made all the difference. I created my portfolio using Canva. This is not a paid ad. If you'd love to see the step-by-step process on how I created my portfolio, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell because I'll be posting that video shortly. Now back to step 3, pitching to brands. Now here comes the scary part, but not to worry, I got you. Reaching out to brands via cold emails was the hardest part for me. At some point I was nervous, but I knew brands weren't going to magically find me. So what did I do? I made a list of brands I'd love to work with and retrieve their emails. Then I started sending out personalized emails with a link to my portfolio attached, explaining why I'm the best fit for your brand. And if you're wondering exactly what I said in the email, just leave a comment and I'll share my email template with you. Keep in mind, this template helped me land my first client and I've been using it since then. That being said, these were my exact step-by-step process on how I landed my first paid client as a UGC creator. I know it's easier said than done, and that's why I'm here to support you as you start this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Good luck.